Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one, I'm going to talk about the Realme X7 Max device, why you should not buy this device for about Battlegrounds mobile game 90 FPS gameplay only. Yes friends, this is a question which I'm getting from plenty of my subscribers asking me to make a video on this particular topic. So is the Realme X7 Max, is it good device to play the Battlegrounds mobile game at 90 FPS or not? I'm trying to focus exactly on 90 FPS only. Maybe this device is really good for 60 FPS but not for 90 FPS. The main reason is because even though the phone default settings is of 90 FPS, but still you cannot play it 90 FPS. So which everyone knows because of this Realme UI which is restricting this mobile phone to play at 90 FPS. Even after the Realme UI 3.0 update also, still the same problem is continuing in this device. So in the beginning I was able to play 90 FPS, but after a couple of security patch updates in the middle, I was unable to play at 90 FPS. And the FPS has been completely locked 70 FPS only. And if you try to use a set edit application, whatever trick you do, whatever config file you install, any GFX file, nothing will work in this kind of demonstration friends. Unfortunately, the Realme did restrict everything, did block all the possible ways how you can actually get 90 FPS. In the beginning, we used to use the brightness trick, and later we used to use the set edit application trick, all these tricks, but nothing is working even after the Realme UI 3.0 update also. So friends, that's what I did mention in the title as well, that this phone is not good for Battlegrounds mobile game to play at 90 FPS only. Maybe for 60 FPS, but not for the 90 FPS. You might be wondering, is it the problem same with other Realme phones? No, it's not the problem with other phones, because Realme GT with the Snapdragon 888 processor can play at 90 FPS, no issues. And other phone from the Realme X2 Pro, which can actually play at 90 FPS by default, no issues. Yes, even it's working perfectly alright. But Realme X7 Max, lot of issues and lot of confusion. And from the beginning to till now, it's not pretty clear from the Realme as well, whether they want to give the 90 FPS or they should not give the 90 FPS. It's not clear friends from them. So first they need to decide whether they should give the 90 FPS or not. So that's the one biggest disadvantage with the Realme X7 Max device. So I thought of addressing to you all regarding this issue which is going on in the Realme X7 Max. That's the reason friends. In case if you're planning to buy this Realme X7 device for 90 FPS, no, I don't think so this phone will support. I'm not sure about in the future as well, because till now it's been 4 to 5 months. So many users, so many complaints, so many feedback, so much of time we did spend talking to Realme, but still now the problem did not get fixed. So I think Realme gave up on this one, I think so. That might be another reason why. So we cannot expect friends 90 FPS, but there's 1% chance maybe happening in the future, but I'm not sure about that. So that's let me know in the comment section below friends, what are your thoughts on this one particular topic. And really I'm pissed off at this moment because of this 90 FPS not supporting, because there are other phones which are actually waiting for 90 FPS support, and the phone which has got 90 FPS is not available to play at 90 FPS because it's been restricted by the UI. The hardware is really good. There is no 4D vibration support in this device. There is no voice changer support in the Battlegrounds mobile game. Only the problem with the UI problem only. Yes. So UI need to be very much optimized for the gamers point of view. It's not optimized for the gamers friends. It's not at all. So it should be optimized for the gamers point of view. That's what I'm expecting from the Realme team at this moment. At least in the next upcoming updates, they should be able to fix this issue as soon as possible. That's what I'm expecting. So hopefully they should do it as soon as possible. And that's it friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. And this is a small demonstration which I thought of giving on the Realme X7 Max, so which might help a lot of other users who are actually planning to buy this device and they're confused. Is it 90 FPS working or not? So 90 FPS is not working. If you try to use set edit application, you can actually get highest 70 FPS only. See in the next video and let's stay tuned for more updates. And whole video, the final conclusion is that this phone is not perfect for 90 FPS, but maybe for 60 FPS. Same thing, no voice changer support, no 4D vibration support in this phone. So see in the next video and stay tuned for more updates. And meanwhile, signing off. Until then, bye.